Let's go home. It's raining. As soon as I came outside, it started raining. It looks pretty gray up there. Hi, I'm making a go of it after losing my home to wildfire and everything in it. It hasn't been easy making do with next to nothing, starting over on a shoestring. I stayed on the land where the house was. It was a nice house. It met all my needs. I spent a lot of time repairing it and adding heating and replacing old appliances over the years. Now I wash dishes by hand, and my refrigerator is outside the trailer. I finally got a washing machine last year, and I hang up the laundry inside by the wood stove in the winter or outside between the trees in summer. Sorry I haven't been making videos for the last year. My back is hurting, so when I do anything I am constantly reminded. I do enjoy short walks with Beau, but my main priorities are getting through the day, making nutritious meals, finishing basic chores and tasks to improve my life, if possible. There is limited space inside the trailer and almost no storage for tools and equipment now that all the buildings were destroyed in 2015 after our utility company set a fire. Firefighters protected the towns and nowhere else. I am sure they tried, but not as hard as they make us believe. There was no warning, and I barely had a few hours to pack up my tiny car and go with my dog since I had no idea what was happening. Let's go home. It's raining. I just checked the forecast and there were like these two little blips on the map. I thought they were going to miss us, but apparently as soon as I came outside it started raining. So maybe in an hour. It looks pretty gray up there. I'm making this vlog to help people going through similar disasters who enjoy the outdoors, animals, gardens, rural life, and general life experiences as an older person. This is not about off-grid living, although I do have to deal with some similar things living in a trailer and not having heating and such. But no, I have electricity and running water, and that's about it. Join me as I try to figure out what I am doing, whether I plan to stay here or not, why I'm tired of living out here despite being surrounded by the most breathtaking natural beauty, where I might go, and what I plan on doing if I eventually do decide to finally move. Stop raining. You gonna help? Let's see here. We gotta chop wood. Something's happening. Just take your time. Don't cut yourself. Make sure it's level. Least amount of effort's the best. Okay. This isn't going to do anything. It's stuck. It's going to be hard. This is the part that sucks. It's trying to get this thing unstuck. Okay. Let's go on to the next piece. There you go. Get back in there. So you can Rip. Sun's coming out. Finally. Are you saving your cookies? Are you saving them? Look. He's got a little stash of cookies over here. These are his favorites. What's your favorite cookie? What's your favorite? We're trying to get him to eat more food. But he's spoiled rotten.